What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a high taper step by step. Let's get started. First, I like to start by taking some length off the top, and in the video, my client chose a number 12 guard. Here using my trimmer, I'm making a guideline from the beginning of the ear to the top of my vertical bar. Here I'm using a double foil shaver to fully bald out the bottom of the guideline. Always make sure to flick out with your balder to not set in no harsh guidelines. Here I'm going with a 1.5 guard to make sure I debulk the hair properly while using the clipper over comb method to make sure it's fully blended. Right here I'm going to go up about a finger's width with no guard, lever open to set my initial guideline. Here I'm about to close my clipper to take the bottom initial guideline from the shaver to the clipper. You always want to make sure to do detail work. Right here I'm going to be using my trimmer to detail to fully blend in the foil shaver into the clipper. Here I'm about to use my clipper guard number 1 to start the initial fade. Now we are going to close the clipper to do some detail work to blend the no guard into the 1 guard. Right here we are going to detail with no guard, lever open, making sure to detail to get your fade looking perfect. Alright, let's get started with the back. I like setting my initial guideline from ear to ear, not setting the guideline super sharp, making sure I'm still able to take that trimmer line out. Right here, I'm going to be going with the foil shaver to make sure I take off all the stubbles left from the trimmer. Now I'm going to be using my clipper, lever open, going up about a finger's width length from the initial trimmer and shaver guideline. Here I'm about to close the clipper lever to start erasing the bottom guideline. Right here I'm going to be debulking with a 1.5. My client does want a freestyle design, and I think this is a perfect guard to make your designs pop. Right here I will be getting rid of all this bulk using the clipper over comb method. Here I will be using a clipper guard number 1 with the lever open, going up about an inch from my no guard guideline. Here I will be closing the lever to start fading. Now with my 0.5 or half guard, I will be going to erase the 1 guard guideline. Here I am about to start my freestyle design. One tip when doing designs is to not press the trimmer too hard into your client's head, or else you could be at a possibility of cutting them. saw to line up the back of my client's ear, making sure not to push it back and to not cut into the long hairs. We'll be putting level 3 hairspray on my client when doing his hairline to get a crispier, better look. Always make sure to use a straight razor on your client's hairline or designs to give it that crispier look. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in on today's video. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys like to see any tutorials, and see you on the next one.